Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a ready-to-wear saree. First, always check the fabric care label for specific instructions to avoid damage. Next, set up your ironing board, making sure it's clean and stable. Then, prepare your iron by ensuring it's clean and dry, and select the correct temperature setting for your saree's fabric type. This preparation is key for a smooth process. When you begin ironing, work in sections, starting with the pleats and then moving to the pallu. For delicate fabrics, always use a pressing cloth to prevent any shine or potential damage. It acts as a protective barrier. Remember to iron on the reverse side of the fabric, especially if your saree has intricate embellishments or embroidery. This technique helps preserve their beauty. Different fabrics require different approaches. For silk sarees, use a low heat setting and iron them while they are slightly damp to prevent scorching. Cotton sarees, on the other hand, can handle higher heat and often benefit greatly from steam to smooth out creases effectively. If you encounter stubborn wrinkles, gently stretch the fabric as you iron over the area. This helps release the creases. Once you've finished ironing, allow your saree to cool completely before you fold or hang it. This step is crucial for maintaining its crispness and preventing new wrinkles. Proper storage is also vital. Consider hanging it carefully or folding it neatly in a breathable bag. And speaking of keeping things neat, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home cleaning routine. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.